Alright guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers. I'm Mike.
And I'm Ivan.
Today we're working on the Raptor. We're gonna get those parts sanded. Everything's been primered. Ivan did all that body work on it, so now we're ready to paint them. So we gotta do a little bit of prep work on it, get them ready, and make them look good. Keep moving forward.
Heck yeah, let's keep going. And also guys, we're still doing a giveaway. All you gotta do is comment Raptor, subscribe, like the video, and share.
Yep, sounds good. Another chance to win.
Alright, let's get to work. Alright, so here we are. We're ready to start sanding down. So here's the bed. We're gonna block sand it. The tailgate, we're gonna sand it. And this side. And then we'll put it outside, let it dry. And then we'll start doing the doors, the fenders, the hood. Get it all ready so we could probably paint tomorrow or start painting. So let's get to work. Alright guys, so we finally got the bed sanded down. That took forever. So that's gonna be ready to paint. I'm gonna paint that today. Got that all done. And yeah, it's coming along super nice. Let's check out the other stuff we've been sanding. So here are the doors. That took a while. They sanded out nicely. There's one, there's another one, there's another one, there's the tailgate. I just say a lot of sanding. Here's the fenders, they came out super nice. So we're gonna paint in pieces. So we're probably gonna paint the doors together, and then we're gonna paint the bed with the tailgate, and then maybe the hood and the fenders by itself. So we'll get it all painted. Let's get to it. All right, so we're in the paint booth right now. I just waxed and greased everything. So we're ready to start putting the base coat down. So let's put the base coat down. And then we'll go pearl, and then we'll go clear, and then we'll continue the process over and over again. Let's get to it. Alright, so here we are. We got the base down. Turned out really nice. It looks better in person. The camera, you can kind of see it. It's like a darker, it's not like a white, it's more, but we're ready to put the pearl down. Just do 2 coats of this, but it's going to be nice. It's going to come out really nice. Let's get to it. Alright guys, check that out. We got 2 coats of pearl on it, you can kind of see it. But we're ready to start putting some clear down. It is nice, you guys. One of my favorite colors, for sure. Let's check out this side. They got little light bits in like different colors. It's got a little bit of blue flake in it. I don't know. My favorite car. We'll see. Let's keep going. Alright guys, we're all done. Put 2 coats of clear on it, and it looks sweet. Look at that. Once we put it in the outside of the lights, it looks even better. Well, let's keep going. We got the doors to paint next, so let's go. So we got the hood, the 2 fenders inside. Let's put the base coat down, and then we're going to do the same process. Base, and then the pearl, and then the clear coat. Let's get it done. Alright, so we just finished the base coat. We laid down really nice too, no issues. And we're ready for the pearl. You can see without pearl. And then we'll do another shoot with pearl. Let's keep going. Alright guys, can you guys see the difference? 2 coats of pearl on it. Kind of see. But yeah, this is coming along very nicely. Getting ready for the, it's gonna flash a little bit, and getting ready for 2 coats of clear. So let's keep going, and we got doors left, and we're all done. Alright, so we are done. We got 2 coats of clear on it. We got the base coat, pearl, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it turned out nice. There's that fender. So let's get the 2 doors, the 4 doors in, and finish this paint job. Alright, so I got the doors inside, ready to get them wiped down, wax and grease them. And then we're gonna start putting base coat on. These are gonna take a little bit longer since we got a gem inside too. We got paint inside and out. We definitely have enough paint. You just need to start putting it down. So let's go. Alright, we got the base down. I put a bunch of coats on it, but it came out good. Nice same color now. And we are ready for the pearls. We're almost done. 2 coats of pearl, 2 coats of clear. It's getting late tonight. It's getting really late, but we gotta get it done, so let's get to it. Alright guys, we're done. We got to put the clear on it. We are done with the paint job. Unless I want to paint the mirrors, which I just thought about. But it turned out really nice. Super happy about it. Check out this door. Very nice. And this door. Look at that. Can you guys see the pearl in it? Tomorrow in the sunlight, because it's late. It's actually 3 in the morning. Oh, it was a long day. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the morning. Alright, so we finished. Well, I finished painting. It was a little late last night, but we got it done. Had pretty much painted 3 things in 3 different separate times. But the doors, look at you guys, it checked out. Turned out really nice. I'm super happy about it.
Oh yeah, it looks great. In and out, all around.
So we're gonna have to let it sit for at least a day or so before we start putting it together. To make sure it cures, so we're not gonna nick it or scratch it. But yeah, check out these fenders, you guys. They are looking good.
Oh yeah.
It's got the blue pearl in it.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can tell in the video, but yeah, I'm definitely popping that blue pearl.
Then we got the bed going on.
Look how wide that bed is. It's gonna look good.
And then we got the hood.
Looking good. You got a tailgate over there as well. Nice.
Alright guys, let's go pick our winners.
Alright guys, it's time to pick our winner. I love this time. Give you guys something, a chance to win. You guys commented Raptor. It's out there.
You subscribed.
Yep.
And you shared the video. So
Hopefully. Yeah, that'd be nice.
we appreciate it.
We got 652 comments. Thanks guys, I appreciate it, you know, putting your input out there. Let's go ahead and find our first winner. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. I'm gonna butcher that name, I'm sorry, but you won. Congrats, Raptor.
Try it, Michael, come on.
Makai. Sorry.
Yeah, I can do it.
And really quick, also guys, we got some stickers we're gonna give away as well. So with your Raptor logo, you're gonna get a little Nico Brother sticker. So I just wanted to throw that out there. So you know,
What can you do with the sticker, Michael? Tell me.
I mean, honestly, you could put it anywhere. You know.
If you got that dent in the car.
Yeah, bumper sticker on your laptop, toolbox, whatever. You know, just
Skateboard.
stick it on anything. You know, for sure.
So we're gonna give you a sign and a sticker.
Yes.
Wow,
It's
Michael.
included now. Also included with your. If you win, you get a free sticker as well. So.
That's exciting.
Just throwing it out there. Yeah.
Let's pick our next winner.
Here we go. Winner number 2. All right, Daniel Wick. Great job, guys, in the Raptor. Little Raptor logo, MG right there. It's nice. Perfect.
So, nothing on fire though.
That's good. It's fine. You know,
It's done. It's not
that's
on
been
fire
there.
no
It's
more.
over. Yeah, those days are over. You can never tell now.
And you guys, we're still doing another giveaway. So all you have to do is comment Raptor, subscribe, and share the video. And if you guys have Instagram, follow us on Instagram.
Yeah.
I do post on there, and you guys get to see what we're doing day in, day out before the YouTube videos.
Yeah. Go ahead and email us. Make sure, you know, we've been a little behind. Not gonna lie, I've been busy with vacation, summer, this and that, getting stuff done. But we'll definitely get it out there as soon as possible. We'll get a minute. We'll get it out to you guys. Let's go ahead and find our last winner. 3, 2, 1. Good video.
Oh,
Sorry, Cesar.
we appreciate it.
Thank you. Here we go. There we go. JD Moore car. Raptor.
It's almost like JDM, like, you know, Japan,
Yeah.
and then it's Mopar.
Yeah, that's
So-
cool. I like that.
It's cool.
Congrats. All right.
All right, guys. We'll see you guys on the next one.